Hello and welcome to 12 Tablecloths by Chloe Duplessis, an art installation that explores the realities of racialized labor in Colorado and beyond and honors the extraordinary contributions of enslaved women of color to the very fabric and foundation of the United States. Envisioned as a period room, 12 Tablecloths transports visitors back in time by transforming the historic House Museum's extravagant dining area into a multi-sensory Afrofuturist reimagining of a Southern dining table. Inspiration for 12 Tablecloths comes from the Whitney Institute, a plantation museum in Duplessis's home state of Louisiana that interprets and preserves the history and legacies of slavery in the United States. During a research trip to the Whitney Institute 3 years ago, Duplessis found herself deeply grieved and consumed when confronted with the harsh working conditions experienced by enslaved women during the late 1800s. And as a woman of color, a Louisiana native, and one whose very ancestors also worked the land, she found it her calling and priority to continue her research, to mindfully plan, and to ultimately create an installation that would center and honor the contributions of these women. 12 Tablecloths is named for the elaborate and exhaustive daily work of setting and resetting the table for multiple course meals, as was done by the enslaved women at the Whitney plantation. The dining room table is set for 6 Black women. 5 of these women were enslaved at the historic Whitney plantation. Their names are Francoise, Julianne, Sally, Marie, and Lucy Clark. Of the women, only Lucy Clark's last name is known. The 6th table setting is reserved for Myrtle Grant, a domestic worker who labored in this very home during the 1940s and 50s. Lucy, Francois, Julianne, Sally, Marie, and Myrtle are connected in real time across place and space due to their roles in racialized servitude. These women ensured, through their work, the very comfort of those that they served without ever experiencing such comfort themselves. And as Black women, they would have been denied welcome to this historic home during its time as a residence. The artifacts that surround you are placed on burlap. Burlap is used by the artist to convey the quiet strength, resilience, and capacity of people of color in the United States. The table settings, created by ceramic artist Katie McWeeny, carve out a place of space and rest and welcome for the 6 women and honor their service and sacrifice in real time. The handcrafted plates also have tiny flecks of ebony that represent the African diaspora and are made from clay in North Carolina, once a hub of the transatlantic slave trade. Every element of the installation was thoughtfully procured, planned, and presented in the hope of connecting you, the viewer, to the women, to their commitment, to their sacrifice, in the hopes that when you leave the installation, you will carry with you a sense of tremendous gratitude for them and for all of the others whose names we do not know. Thank you for your time and for your intention. For more information about the artist, visit duplessisart.com. For more information about History Colorado or the Center for Colorado Women's History, visit historycolorado.org.